Hello everyone, xin chào các bạn. Welcome to Vietvuive channels. In today's lesson, we are going to explore some essential phrases and vocabulary for love and dating in Vietnamese. Whether you are planning to date someone who speaks Vietnamese or just want to learn more about the cultures, this video will give you the tools you need. Okay, so let's start with some basic words and phrases related to love. Love in Vietnamese is yêu, yêu. There is another word which a lighter version of love is thích, thích. Lovers is người yêu, người yêu. Người means person and yêu means the love. So let's talk a little bit about pronouns. We have two pronouns, anh and em. Both can be first pronoun and second pronouns. Anh is used by a female to refer to her male partners, and em is used by a male to refer to his female partners.
For example, if I talk to my boyfriend, I will address myself as em and address my boyfriend as anh.
If you meet a girl you really like and you want to ask her, do you have boyfriends? So you will say, em có người yêu chưa? Em có means you have, người yêu chưa means boyfriend yet. And if you are a woman asking a man, you will say, anh có người yêu chưa? To answer these questions as a man, you can say, anh chưa có người yêu. And as a woman, you can say, em chưa có người yêu.
To say, will you be my girlfriend? You will say, em làm người yêu anh nhé. Em làm người yêu anh means you will be my girlfriend. And nhé means is it okay?
And the answer for this question is được means yes. And không được means no. And how to say I love you in Vietnamese? As a man, you can say anh yêu em. And as a woman, you can say em yêu anh. Dating in Vietnamese is hẹn hò, hẹn hò. Mình đi hẹn hò nhé means let's go on a date. Or you can say anh muốn mời em đi ăn tối means I would like to invite you to dinner. Now is compliments. If you want to say you are very beautiful, you can say em đẹp lắm. Đẹp means beautiful and lắm means very.
Terms of endearment.
In English, we have a word is honey to call your romantic partner, and in Vietnamese we have a word is anh yêu to address your male partners, and em yêu to address your female partners. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you are ready to express your feeling in Vietnamese to someone special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons. See you next time! Hẹn gặp lại.